Maternity is an incredibly complicated subject. It seems simple, but from an insurance point of view, there are many things to consider. The most obvious of which is the sublimit associated with maternity. Do I get 10,000, 15,000? Secondly is the waiting periods associated with that. Is the waiting period from conception or is it to payment? Are things like IVF covered? Is the child covered when born, or is there a certain cap or limit after they're born? Is the child medically underwritten onto the plan? Is complications of pregnancy covered? The actual delivery, there can be complications which can get very expensive. Does that fall under the regular plan benefit, or is that in an additional benefit? There are things like complications of pregnancy, not childbirth, but pregnancy. So gestational diabetes, is that covered under the regular plan or the maternity benefit? Our advice on maternity is to speak to an expert, and hopefully that's us. It is a very complicated subject, and there are many things to consider rather than just how much you get, the top line figure, because the difference between a good plan and a bad plan is extremely important.